Who's it from?
Ben and Jeannie.
Say thanks, Ben and Jeannie. Look at the camera.
Look at the camera and say thanks, Ben and Jeannie.
Thanks, Ben and Jeannie. Oh.
Who's that from, Elise? Oh, you could have used that yesterday.
Right?
When you were all cold.
Who's that from, Elise?
I don't know.
Great grandma.
Great grandma.
Let's see.
What?
Stick your head back.
Great grandma made these.
Great grandma made those. That's
Oh my
beautiful.
goodness, these are so pretty.
Mom,
Just a minute, son.
It fits you so nicely, Elise.
Bob's
Lacey, look at the
big break.
camera and say thanks, Great Grandma.
Thanks, great grandma.
Tell her it's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Okay, sit up here, watch Caleb.
What?
Yay,
is
Caleb! What is it, buddy? Come on.
He just did the more side. Oh,
mine.
look, storybook sound. Say thank you.
Okay, let's see. I'm gonna help you forward. Take one more. Do this. Go. Good. Perfect. I already got this thing, but I wanted one.
I think those will go with his,
Look, Mom.
Perfect.
Look, Daddy. Look, Mommy.
Oh.
What is that? Who's that from?
Look what it is.
Yeah, but who's it from?
I don't know.
It
Who's
makes
from?
noise.
Who's that from?
That's from Nana and Pappy. CJ, finish yours. Open yours.
What is it, Lacey?
Tell Daddy what it is, Elise.
It's a, I don't know what it is.
Do that.
Dad, can I open this? Ooh, what is this? Monster First Aliens!
Oh.
To CJ from Jeannie and Ben. What's your say?
Dingle, and then...
What's your say? All right.
Ooh! It's a Barbie coloring book!
What?
Over 70 gravity-defying objects and projects that will fly, float, whirl through the air. Boy, that's going to be fun today.
Elise, here.
Look at CJ.
Is this for me?
Say thanks, Jeannie and Ben.
Daddy, this is for you.
Oh, wow. I got a present, too? I'm not a kid, though.
I know. Look what I got.
What did you get? What are those called?
I don't know.
Yes, you do.
There's a roof. I always wanted some.
What did you say to Dad?
See, I told you that was for you.
What is this thing?
That's a basketball plate.
I have no idea what this is.
What is this thing?
I have no idea what this is.
There you
Oh,
go.
it is a game.
CJ from Jeannie and Ben.
That was a big pop, huh?
I'm not sure exactly what you throw into it, though.
Thank you, man.
Mommy from Nana. You gonna help me open my present?
I got a triangle too. Right?
What did you get, Elise?
Clothing.
Oh my goodness, pull it out and look at it. To CJ from Nana and Pappy.
Look.
Oh, how pretty!
I love it.
You love it? What else did you get in there?
It's a sweater.
Ooh, that is a pretty one, Elise.
I got Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. More?
That one's a mine. After that, he has this one.
What is it, CJ? Who's it from?
It's
Are we paying attention to who it's from?
Yes, that's from Nana and Pappy.
Okay.
Thank you, Nana and Pappy. For Caleb. Hey, look, I got dinosaur bones for a Christmas tree.
What is it, Elise?
It's a backyardigans game.
Yeah. Oh, sweet.
Sweet what?
Do you know what this is?
What?
It's a bunch of scraps of material. gosh, this is awesome.
To CJ. I don't know who it's from though. Sweet. To CJ.
Oh yeah.
His name is in there. I got one like Devil hat.
Ooh, babe, look. Figured this thing out.
Nice.
So yeah, you chip golf balls in there. Look at
Oh, ooh, that'd be fun.
Yeah. Lots of fun.
Oh man.
Daddy's got a cool toy. I love it. I'm gonna go play with it.
Yay!
To Jim from Rael.
What you got, Elise?
Come on and see.
Who's this from? Babe, have we been keeping track?
Yeah.
Look.
That one's for you.
Oh, thanks, Rael. I got the highlight,
Oh, nice.
the new one.
Read, play, and listen with Disney. It's got a
Oh,
storybook.
that's exciting. I'll load that so I can edit a
Poster.
new video. That's awesome.
What do you say, Elise?
I'm excited. I get to play with this later today. Thank you, Rael and David.